Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually going to go over the Christmas candles from Antique Candle Company, and we had so much fun with it for the fall. Well, I had fun with it for the fall candles that I invited my sister to do it again. This time she's on the camera, so that's exciting. We have a ton of candles to smell and review for you. Some of them we burned. Most of them I've tried to burn so that we can have like an idea of what they smell like. And then some of them, I can't remember. We'll look when we go through it. And then also, my sister actually has mix matched some where she's burning two at the same time. So I might even get her to tell us a couple of those. We're just gonna go ahead and get started. First off, I did actually buy the Christmas sample pack, which is 6 different candles. So I think I'll start with those. I've really enjoyed the sample candles, and it just gives you a chance to kind of smell them but be able to change it without buying some of the more expensive candles. And then for the bigger ones, I actually do the deluxe candle box where you get 3. I did that for a while, so some of these, it's a little bit better of a deal if you're wanting to get a couple of them. So let's just start. Let's see. We'll start with one of my favorites, the Good Tidings. I think this one's so good. Okay, it smells better when you light it. I feel like in the actual thing it's got a very potpourri smell, but when it is lit it's not as strong, and it has like a
it smells like cedar and orange.
It does have like a
very
citrus.
Dried cedar and orange.
Cedar and orange is a good way to put it. I will try to put below what's actually like the notes of it. Cedar and orange is a very good way to describe it, but it smells so good when it's lit. Like the room smells good with this one. Not all of them are like that. Okay, next, another great one, Tree Farm. Exactly that's what it smells like. I mean, this is like, in my opinion, the quintessential, light this when you're putting up the tree, it smells like a tree. I will say though, it's not the strongest of their candles. I don't feel like
when you burn it.
Yeah, when you burn it, I don't think that the whole room is just gonna smell like a pine tree or a spruce tree. It's just not quite as strong, but it's still great. All right, we're gonna do one that I don't like. This one's so gross. It's sweet orange and clove. It smells kind of like that orange creamsicle, but in like a cinnamon way. I don't like it. Yeah. When you agree, it's
a
orange,
creamsicle.
the creamsicle, but with like it's been dipped in cinnamon.
Yeah.
Just straight up cinnamon. Oh, I guess that's the clove. That one, I don't like it.
That's the thing. It's not cinnamon. It's like a deep clove. I mean, that's what's in it.
Honestly, it smells better as the candle than when you burn it. When you burn it, it is not. This one's not my favorite. I cannot lie. Spiced cranberry. This is another one that's like one of my favorites. Like when this goes on sale after Christmas, I probably will buy a couple of these. And I feel like this one, it smells exactly the way it is spiced cranberry. Like you smell.
It smells like a bath.
A bath?
Or like a shower, a bath, like a fruity body scrub, or like a body.
Really?
Like in a good way.
I don't feel like it smells like that when you burn it. Like you definitely can tell it's cranberry. It's not citrusy.
No, it's fruity.
It's very fruity, but the spice level is definitely there. This one's so good. I feel like this one's really nice, like in a bathroom. Like it's got that kind of Bath and Body Work.
That's what I'm saying. That's why it feels bathy.
Yeah, maybe that. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay. Home for the Holidays. I actually just burned this one because I had not burned it, so I wasn't sure what it smelled like. This one's pretty good too. I actually didn't love it in just the candle form, but when I burned it, it almost to me smells like Tree Farm with some firewood. Like I'm outside at a campfire burning fire, but there's spruce trees.
Campfire with cedar.
Yeah, well, spruce. It's that.
Yeah.
I feel like it's the Tree Farm with
No, it smells like a Christmas
campfire.
tree and a campfire.
It's very good. All right, let's see. Christmas Day. I think this is the last one that came in the 6 sample packets. I have mixed emotions on this one. I don't love this one, but I really liked it when you burned it with sugar
I really
plum.
like it.
Okay, well, you explain what that smells like, because it's not my favorite.
I mean, it smells almost kind of like a hot toddy, like a warm cinnamony,
Okay.
apple cidery. It smells like wassail,
I could see that, like what you burn, sort
like
of.
a mulled apple cider.
Yeah, okay, I can see that. But when I walked in the other night and she had this burning with sugar plum, which we'll get to, it was so good together. Like, it was strikingly a great smell. I feel like this is when you go into Christmas shops, this is what Christmas shops smell like.
Yeah, I can see that.
All right, so now that we finished the sample pack, I'm gonna do 2 of the little samples that have come in my deluxe boxes. The first one's Cozy Cabin. This one makes me a little upset because it smells so good. It's one of my favorite scents in my opinion, but when you light it, you don't smell it at all.
Yeah.
Like at all. But it smells so good. Like, if they can make this stronger, I would be the first one to buy the candle. It just stinks because, I mean, you're just burning to be, like, for the light. You don't smell it. Okay, I'm excited for you to try this one. I have not burned this one. My sister is obsessed with Williams-Sonoma peppermint bark. And that is what this candle is. I don't even know if you knew that we had this.
I haven't smelled it.
I don't love peppermint bark. I think it smells so gross. But
I feel like I'd have to smell it burnt. Because, yeah, right now I don't like it.
okay, well, I tell you, we will burn this one, and I will insert here what the burned peppermint bark smells like. Okay, so we have been burning this peppermint bark for, I don't know, about an hour. It smells like vanilla. I mean, it's still not my favorite candle, but I think it smells like vanilla. My sister agrees. It is pretty good. Do I think it's one of the best ones? No, but it's not bad. So yeah, that's what we think about the peppermint bark. Because like this,
It's just really sweet. It's almost vanilla pepperminty. Like
you can smell the peppermint.
Well, yeah, no. But yeah.
All right, so now to the bigger candles. Okay, so a couple of these are actually their fall scents, but I actually saved them for Christmas because I felt like they smelled more like Christmas candles. That's just how I feel. Anyway, I love this one so much. It is the pumpkin and pine. I just think it smells so good. Like, it is a perfect transition candle, I would say, but to me, it leans more Christmassy.
It's very like pumpkin spice bread, but like
I don't
Christmas.
smell bread. I smell the pine in it.
No, I definitely smell pine, but it's like a pumpkin bread and pine.
Yeah,
or like a pumpkin loaf.
Yeah, like if you're making pumpkin loaf, but you've already put up your Christmas tree. No?
No, yeah, technically.
I think this smells more Christmassy, but I'm a big fan of this one, and it smells even better when you burn it. I haven't burned the big one because I only had my small one. Actually, that's not true. I have 2 big ones of this. Okay, so staying on that pine trend, we have the country pine. This one is basically like you smell the pine in it, but it has patchouli in it. So I feel like I haven't burned it yet, but I do think it smells really nice.
I like it.
Yeah, I think that's going to be really good after Christmas when, like, because we're going to have a ton of candles. I think that's going to actually, like, go into the winter months, January, February, nicely, because it's not, like, super Christmassy.
It's almost spa-like.
It is. Like, if you went to a cabin spa, you could still smell the outdoors, but then they have patchouli. It really does. It has patchouli in it. I looked it up because I was like, what in the world?
No, yeah.
I think that was
Smells
great.
good. I like that one.
Yeah, but I do think I'm saving this one for after the holidays because some of these are like very quintessential holiday smells. Let's do Winter Woods. Okay. I'm not the biggest fan of this one because I kind of feel like it smells like soap.
I don't like it at all.
Yeah.
It smells like a diaper.
Okay, well,
Not like a used one, but like a powder,
so soap. I think it smells like soap.
Like old early 2000s
soap.
jelly soap that came in the thing that had the fish in the background.
The fish in the background.
She'll find a picture of it. I'm telling you, it.
I don't even know what it is.
No, it's the little pump soap, and the background of it is the fish
soft soap.
Yeah.
The soft soap stuff.
It smells like soft soap.
I don't think it smells like that. To me, okay, we had a grandmother who, her house always had this very distinct, just kind of odd soap smell. And
Yeah, no, I don't like it.
I feel like that's what this is. So maybe we're just triggered by it. But to me, it has like a...
It smells like a ocean flavored
Yes,
soap.
an ocean soap. Not woodsy.
Yeah.
Like I thought it was going to be. I may actually end up giving that one away. Okay, the next is toasted marshmallow. When I got this, I was hoping it was going to be like the fireside marshmallow. Well, actually, we can go ahead and talk about both of these. So I got toasted marshmallow and fireside. And I was hoping the two of them together would actually be very much like, or would smell a lot like the Bath and Body Works.
Toasted marshmallow.
Yes. And
Or marshmallow fireside.
so I have burned them together, but I feel like the toasted marshmallow already has that burnt smell. I do think it's close.
I love fireside.
So fireside to me, it's okay. Let's start with fireside.
Smells
So show you.
like a high school homecoming fire.
Fire. Yes, it very much has like a fire smell to it. I actually think this would be a good secondary candle. Like
Yeah.
if you were doing Home for the Holidays or one of the ones like Tree Farm that's outside, like tree, and then you did this and it gave that like fireside smell.
Mm-hmm.
I think that they would burn really well together. I don't love this one by itself, especially like a sweet.
Yeah.
I bet this would be good with sugar plum.
Sugar plum, yeah.
We might have to resmell that. Okay, the next one is the toasted marshmallow. This was the one I was hoping was going to be like
Marshmallow fireside.
marshmallow, yeah, from Bath and Body Works. It's not. Okay, this smells like a toasted marshmallow. Mm-hmm. It's sweet, but it has that fire toast smell to it. Like to me, it almost smells like vanilla icing. Toasted vanilla icing.
Yeah, I don't like it. Too sweet for me.
It's not that bad. It's not super sweet when you burn it,
No.
though. You really do smell more of the toastiness when you're burning it. So maybe this one is another one that I might would accompany with another. Like I'm going to use it, but this is not one of my favorites that was just like, let's just sit it out and burn it. I don't know. I have mixed emotions on that one too. It's not my favorite, but it's not my least. Like, I don't hate it. Okay, we're down to our final two. This one is cozy flannel. Nothing about that makes me think. I thought it was going to be very masculine. It's not. It's actually, it's hard for me to describe. I'm not great at describing
It's like
things.
raw vegetables.
I don't think that.
In my head, it's
Raw
vegetable crudité. Just smells like I don't know, like raw.
Gosh, I don't know. I will put it down below. I guess I could grab my laptop really quickly and tell what's in it. Okay. Bagged by popular demand. So this was one they brought back, one of their vault scents. It says, this one has patchouli in it. So the top note is patchouli, the middle note's amber, and the bottom notes are cedarwood.
I don't know. I don't smell that. I don't smell any of that.
Earthy scent of eucalyptus, patchouli, tobacco leaves. That's why I bought it. That is the tobacco leaves.
I can smell the tobacco leaves.
But it doesn't smell like that when you burn it. Intertwined with warm masculine blend of amber cedarwood and vanilla cashmere. It sounded amazing.
Yeah.
This is another one I'm burning with other things. And then, before we get to the final candle and the one that I just have been so surprised about, I do want to just quickly ask you guys if you will subscribe. A lot of people are watching and not subscribing, which is completely fine. I watch away, don't mind at all. Anyway, I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and I'm so close. And so if you don't mind, it's free. If you don't mind subscribing, it would greatly help me out. So, okay, so the one that has surprised me the most, like some of them I knew I was going to like the Tree Farm. I mean, come on, a tree candle at Christmas, like you can barely make that go wrong. But sugar plum, this one is so good. I really, really like it. And I feel like, so she does not love sweet candles. And when I first told her about this one, you were like, meh.
Yeah.
And then once you lit it, like I feel like you could find that in Anthropology.
Yeah, no, it very much so reminds me of the Capri Blue volcano
Yes.
smell.
Yes, this is another one that if it goes on sale, I probably will stock
It's
up
like
on.
if the volcano had a slight berry.
Yes, that's a really good way to
Smell.
put it. I will be buying a couple of these because I think you could burn this all summer. Mm-hmm. Like, if these go on sale, for sure, amazing. This was one of the most pleasant surprises that I got, so.
Citrus pomegranate. It is a fruity, citrusy, warm, spicy smell. It is wonderful. I love the smell. This might be my favorite candle of all.
So quickly, I will do a couple combinations that we have burned that we think are pretty good. The first one is actually Christmas Day and Sugar Plum. That was amazing. The whole house smelled like Anthropology at Christmas. I mean, that's really what it smelled like. Then at my mom's, I actually did Good Tidings and Spiced Cranberry, and that one was quite pleasant. Let me open them and let you smell them together. Like I think the fruity with like the more earthy, homey, I don't know, it was very pleasant.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the Good
Balances.
Tidings, the Good Tidings and the Spiced Cranberry were really good together. Do you have any that you think would be nice? I feel like if you did like the pumpkin and pine with like a spiced cranberry or with the Home for the Holidays, like one of the fruitier ones, that would give this a little bit less of a pumpkin smell and a little bit more of a Christmas
Basically,
smell.
any of the more masculine flavors paired with a more fruity
Flavors.
with the fruity.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yes, that smells great. So pumpkin and pine with the Home for the Holidays. That smelled really nice. So yeah, I think you can take some of these fall candles and mesh them with some of these really strong, like true Christmas, quintessential Christmas scents. Just keep using them. Mm-hmm. So, all right. So for the true Christmas, like these are the Christmas scents. To me, Tree Farm, 1000%. Christmas Day, for sure. Home for the Holidays. Spiced Cranberry. Good Tidings. I love Sugar Plum, but I can't say that I think it's like Christmas. Like, I think that's a year round. I hope that you guys are having a great holiday and just enjoy it and have fun with your families. All right, till next time. Bye.